Hello. So basically in this video I want to show you a practical agentic AI system that I built around a real business workflow. So basically this system is known as Beacon, the social operations orchestrator for Phones Canada. Before I get started, let me quickly explain the word orchestrator. An orchestrator is the coordinator layer of a system. It decides what needs to happen and when it should happen, in what order, and which service or agent should handle each step while tracking the overall workflow. So Beacon isn't simply another AI content generator. Basically it coordinates an entire operations. We are already using AI to create social media content, but after generation there were still a lot of manual work. Let me tell you, like, we copied content into Google Sheet, generate images separately, download them, open LinkedIn, publish each post, and record the final post ID. We later created the monthly content calendar, but the daily execution remained manually. So Beacon was created to close the gap. So basically this is the icon. When we double click on it, the app is started. And let's start with the overview. So basically overview is the command center. It shows whether the beacon is running, whether the system is in dry run or live mode, and the next schedule batch, ready content, and anything requiring attention. The business schedule currently runs according to the Karachi time, but it can be changed according to the desired requirement, like Toronto, Canada, anything else. So this is the workspace map. This is probably the easiest way to understand the beacon. Content starts in the calendar. Beacon coordinate the workflow. The AI image generation layer prepare the creatives. The daily batch is assembled. LinkedIn handle the publishing stage, and finally the system verifies the record and result. That's orchestrator, coordinating multiple independent steps as one complete workflow. Ports give me the operational queue across inventory, option, and other related categories, which is called PC web actually. And calendar turns that queue into a visual monthly schedule. The system also includes duplicate protection, so an already processed item isn't accidentally executed. So let's explore monthly content option. Monthly content handles future planning. Beacon can prepare the next month's calendar, validate it, supports review and approval, activate it when ready, and export everything in Excel. So planning and daily execution now live inside the same workflow. So let's move to the automation. So basically automation is basically where the operational rules live. So basically I can control the business time zone, posting time, post delay, and same day catch up behavior. The system I am showing today is in dry run. Dry run lets Beacon execute the workflow safely without creating a real LinkedIn publication. Switching to live requires explicit confirmation that give us a proper human in the loop safety layer. So let's move to the activity. So basically activity give us a complete audit trail. And integration. Integration connects Beacon to the outside services it needs. Google Sheet is connected and Open Router is connected for AI image generation. Real image generation has already been successfully tested. So basically LinkedIn is the remaining external integration pending approval. So let's move to the settings. Setting provide branding, interface customization, visual effects, and product safety control. I wanted Beacon to operate like an actual product rather than a collection of scripts and you know terminal commands. So that's it. Basically, what started as simply using AI to write social posts has evolved into a complete agentic AI operation system. Beacon doesn't just generate content. it orchestrates the entire workflow, planning AI, image generation, scheduling, execution, recovery, verification, and record keeping. And this is where things are getting really exciting. AI is changing incredibly fast. We are moving from simply asking AI questions to building AI agents that can take actions, and agentic AI system that can coordinate complete business workflow autonomous. So things that sounded futuristic only a few years ago are becoming a practical tools we can actually build and use today. So we are heading towards a remarkable technological shift where ideas can move from imagination to a working system faster than ever before. So Beacon is just one example of what now possible, and I believe this is still only the beginning. AI agents are here. Agentic AI is evolving so fast. So be ready. What's coming next? Thanks for watching.